If you are facing this issue on your phone, don't worry about it. Let's fix it. First of all, open Settings on your phone. Now find Apps. Click on Apps option. Now find Messages. Click on Messages. Now click on Storage. You can't fix it without deleting your storage. Clear your Messages storage. I have an important stuff in my messages, so I am not deleting that. You have to press OK. After doing that, simply go back on your home screen and click on Play Store. Write Messages in search bar. Click on Messages. Now click on Uninstall. The Messages application will not be uninstalled, but updates will be uninstalled. After doing that, you won't face any issue on your phone. If the video was informative, make sure to hit like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content.